Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. I used to be down so bad, ready to throw my life away. Didn't know what I had, feeling locked up all night and day. Till you came around, picked me off the ground. Was lost but now I'm found. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
Sa pangalawang tahanan ito, kahit mga kahinaan, kahit pagkukulang ng pamilya, naaayos nila. At may malalim na kagalakan sila na nagsasama-sama. Lumalaki ang mga anak walang pressure. Hindi na kailangang patunayan ang sarili nila. May kapayapaan ang magulang at umaapaw ang pagmamahal sa lahat. Mga kapatid, ang tanong ko sa inyo, saan kayo sa dalawang pamilya? You need to disciple your children if you want to bring heaven home.
Despite all my biggest tears, fill my eyes.
God will give us His Spirit. God is knocking at the door of your heart. He wants to come in.
The sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but
Now everyone must be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to anger.
how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost.
Is it really possible to experience true forgiveness within the family? Have you genuinely asked for forgiveness from God?
He loves you the way you are, but He will not allow you to remain the same. Again, mahal po tayo ni Kristo the way you are right now, but He will not you allow to be the same. Ganun po yung pagmamahal ng Panginoon, transformative. Pag nalaman mo mahal ka, magbabago ka at hindi mo yung mapipigilan. It's not too late. You can surrender your life to Jesus. And He asks you to sin no more.
Drank our wine and let the world fade away. The sunrise tried to end it while we tried to stay. The rest of my life can't compare to this night. Whoa. ceiling tonight.
Hindi lang po parents will teach them about God, but they connect the children to God.
Wives, let's have this Christ-like attitude. Be supportive, be submissive, and be respectful.
The world fade away. The sunrise tries to end it while we try to stay.
Po ito. Gusto natin mabigyan ng magandang buhay, pag-aaral at future ang ating anak. Pero kailangan maging prepared din tayo sa eternity nila. Okay po ba? Kung nag-i-invest tayo sa ating family para sa ating physical, sa ating emotional, sa ating tinatawag na future ng ating mga anak, much better na maglaan din tayo ng para sa ating eternity.
Kasi lahat po ng pero tulad po sa basketball, meron pong team